No talk, guys. So I want to talk about this grim dark RPG game called Fear and Hunger. Now, I'ma first say this fucking game is awesome, bro. This game was made by one man, bro. One man. Yet he go into graphic details in the game, bro. Dude, to its character, to its lore, this shit go deep. There are tales about powerful beings known as old guys and new guys. In this medieval time period, these new guys run everything, bro. In the game, you play as 4 different characters with 4 separate reasoning for why they're going into the dungeon. And in the dungeon, they go into accounting stuff like this. This game is difficult and requires an innovation to complete it. Saving in this game requires task management skills and memory recall. Oh, just a warning, this game is very morbid, but I highly recommend you give it a shot if you want